Stay, I'm leaving. Far too cold, I'm just frigid freezing. Fuck these girls for no fucking reason. Fuck the world, I don't need no reason. C-class Benz on the highway speeding, eyes bleeding. I'ma see just leaning. I'ma got gal in the back saying no, said I'm doing, I'm squeezing. They see cool, said I'm doing, I'm sneezing. No, said them bulls, said I'm doing, I'm teasing. More for drink, but I don't do leaning. That shit give me an awful feeling. Rather be smoking weed and wheezing. Just food and sex and sleeping. I'm in the one beer, bad news, but your girlfriend cheating. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the 400, quick, believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and come. So for you to the face, I hear the voice now. You don't know, say a co-agency, pon the co-agency rocks. Chada. And today, we have V9 plugged in with Fumez. I saw it yesterday, but I was too lazy to do it yesterday, bro. So I'm doing it today, you understand? Really and truly, I don't think we have done a V9 reaction on the channel. Have we even? No, we've done an unknown T. You understand? We not done a V9 or no KO or no 98s in general. That. But the 98s, them not really drop nothing like one time, like when them did drop for them plugged in. And you see me? I know KO drop a song still. Probably need to react to that. Let me know if you want me to react to that KO song. But you don't know. V9 plugged in with Fumez. Fumez been a go on board with the plugged in. Them him nah stop. You see me? So we just want to jump in it. Click my links in the description. Gaming channel, music channel, Instagram. Bro, my gaming channel, bro. Y'all niggas sleep, bro. When FIFA come out, I'm telling you, bro, you're gonna barely see me over here because I'm be playing FIFA every fucking day, I'm telling you. On the gaming channel, so remember that. Anyway, yeah, like, share, comment, subscribe. And hold on, let me mute these things first. And then, yeah. Just give me a second, 1 second. Pow. Yeah, alright, now we're cool. 3, 2, 1, go. Fumez, the edge of there. First, yo. Fumez, you need to take down the eyebrow there, dog, and stop with the... Like, stop with the light-skinned face, man. What's going on, fam? Stop with the light-skinned face, brother. Man, like, not even me do that, dog. Better the man just do a regular line. You see me, Ara? You see me, the man go. Like, the man that... Man is light-skinned. Man is trying to do a light-skinned face, blood. Fuck, though. But big up Fumez still. The man that perform with the O2 with him friend them. It's that time. It's that time. V9 plugging with Fumez. Time. Some sensei shit. I come here. R-E-D-S-H-O-P. No. That no. Fam. Alright, let me just go back, dog. That energy. I come here. And then the beat drop. Sorry, dog. I felt like I was going to explode, but let me go again. Some sensei shit. R-E-D-S-H-O-P. That's the block, can't fuck with the team. I will pull up, let that breathe. Dragon breath, like the scene. 3 my step, that's me and my... Dragon breath, like the scene? Is that a move? Yeah, Dragon breath is a move, you know? I will pull up, let that breathe. Dragon breath, like the scene. 3 my step, that's me and my friend. Dragon breath, light up the scene. Lord, the man said fire to the scene with the dragon. Oh my God. Boys, I think we have a long one. We have a long breakdown on our hands. Why? We have a lengthy breakdown ready to do. Let's go. R-E-D-S-H-O-P. That's the block, can't fuck with the team. I will pull up, let that breathe. Dragon breath, like the scene. My step, that's me and my friend. See them man and them man get stretched. Don't get V9 vexed, I'm mad in the head, I'll put him to bed. Some ride that down, some ride that now. Poor fuck boy down, don't get caught when I pound. In this car right now, see you in brown. Talking wicked fam, I take you out. What? Dog? V9 different? Bro, the V9 from Hole in One is not this V9, bro. The V9 from Charged Up is not this V9, bro. This V9 from I ain't doing no leggy. I'll boom man right through the head. I'll boom man right through the... Sure. What that name? I not even know, dog. The V9 from Japan. This isn't him, bro. There's a different V9, fam. You hear these flows? Eat not, eat not, eat not, eat not. Dog, I can't even... Let's just go again, dog.
REDSHOP. That's the block, can't fuck with the team. I will pull up, let that breathe. Dragon breath, light the scene. To my step, that's me and my friend. See them man and them man get stressed. Don't get V9 vexed, I'm mad in the head, I'll put him to bed. I'ma ride that down, I'ma ride that now. Put a fuck boy down, don't get caught when I power. In this car right now, see you in brown. Took it wicked fam, I take you out.
What? Took it wicked fam, I take you out. That's flow. I thought right now, but what? No, bro, don't let me get mad enough for start all. Yo, fam, nah, bro. I'd never expect this, dog. Let me hear that again, please. If you don't like me pulling it up so much, just fuck off, fam. Just fuck off, cause I'm gonna do it.
Breathe, dragon breath, light the scene. To my step, that's me and my friend. See them man and them man get stretched. Don't get V9 vexed, I'm mad in the head, I'll put him to bed. I'ma ride that down, I'ma ride that now. Put a fuck boy down, don't get caught when I power. In this car right now, see you in brown. Took it wicked fam, I take you out. Me water rounds when I come out. I got penny fam, I'll share that round. 3B right now. Bro's locked up, but he soon come out. Bro's innocent, free my pound. Feeling like push shy.
No. Let me hear the end of the flow, please.
I'ma ride that now. Put a fuck boy down, don't get caught when I power. In this car right now, see you in brown. Took it wicked fam, I take you out. Me water rounds when I come out. I got penny fam, I'll share that round. 3B right now. Bro's locked up, but he soon come out. Bro's innocent, free my pound. Feeling like push shiesty, but we need 2-2-3s. Bro hit 2 with 3, left man on the sea. No waking the chat on we. I don't even pray at night anymore. God doesn't want them mountain in corpse. Still pull up like I'm.
What?
They chat on we. I don't even pray at night anymore. God doesn't want them mountain in corpse.
Man said, I don't even pray at night anymore. God doesn't want them man in a corpse. Obviously not, bro. Like, what's wrong with this guy, fam? Nah, fam. Man said, I don't pray. Like, that's mad. Man said, I don't pray anymore because God don't want the ops turn into corpse. Like, what you think him, dog? He's God. Like, dog, I can't believe that. That's crazy.
Feeling like push shiesty, but we need 2-2-3s. Bro hit 2 with 3, left man on the sea. No waking the chat on we. I don't even pray at night anymore. God doesn't want them mountain in corpse. Still pull up like I'm doing not sports. I'm in the pot like 4. See man, it's a pillar they walk. Raw,
I'm in the pot like 4, yeah.
Like I'm doing not sports. I'm in the pot like 4. See man, it's a pillar they walk. Raw, I'm trying to burst skin like toast. Let it roast, slap his brain and ghost. Or get chinged up top pole. He got wet up like he fell off a boat.
Him sound like Skengdo right here, dog. I'm not sure. Tell me.
I'm in the pot like 4. See man, it's a pillar they walk. Raw, I'm trying to burst skin like toast. Let it roast, slap his brain and ghost. Or get chinged up top pole. He got wet up like he fell off a boat. He turned Japanese, but he ain't been abroad. Have you ever seen a big man soap?
What the? The ad-libs. What the? Hey. What you say he went Japan, but he didn't go abroad?
He got wet up like he fell off a boat. He turned Japanese, but he ain't been abroad. Have you ever seen a big man soap? Cause he got soaked. What a joke. Come like mum said, don't wet your coat. Get dripped up, still do it in ghost. V9 too devilish, so spank can I lick that.
Nah, bro. I was getting hype when he said V9 too devilish. And then when I heard Sauce Bananka and I licked that. What? Let me hear it again.
Do it in ghost. V9 too devilish, so spank can I lick that.
Sauce Banka and I lick that. Nah, bro. Nah, fam. These guys are getting out of hand now. We need to do something. We need to do something about this, dog. You cannot be nanking man up and licking your blade, bro. This is not a movie thing, bro. It's not a horror movie, bro. This is not Freddy and Jason and Michael Myers and them Monday, bro. We don't need that, bro. Warm to regular chingins and regular riders. We don't do that anymore. We have to lick blood and... Alright, dog. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. This is just how I genuinely feel, bro. That line... like, what the fuck is that? Why are you licking it? Nah, bro. Nah.
Get dripped up, still do it in ghost. V9 too devilish, so spank can I lick that. Or stop calling your kids or get man down. I don't care about the impact. He's related to him and her. Might as well burst him first.
You heard what he said about the kids? Did he just say burst the kids? V9. I know you said too devilish in that, but I think you're going too far now, bro. I think we need to calm down. I think we need some therapy. You know? Just a little bit, dog. Just so we can understand what the fuck is wrong with you.
V9 too devilish, so spank can I lick that. Or start calling your kids or get man down. I don't care about the impact. He's related to him and her. Might as well burst him first. Put that you in the dirt and the shirt, make it hurt. You can tell it ain't blanks. Look at the way it slaps. We don't do no capping, we do clappings. Serious slappings, I'm rolling.
I like that.
We don't do no capping, we do clappings. Serious slappings, I'm rolling, I'm packing. Looking for man in traffic. See them, let him have it. Good, he got damaged. How the fuck had he give gang verbal? Got ying down shirt and purple. But don't risk it, show.
He turned herbal, he turned pack.
How the fuck had he give gang verbal? Got ying down shirt and purple.
Oh, he should have turned herbal.
Shows ain't got no name when it's flinging. When I got my sword, I'm swinging, chinging. With a bad beer, I suck breast like a child. Big or small, I still get aroused by like big backs. Jiggle and bounce, jiggle, jiggle. Oh wow, don't get that much to pump them down. I go, come let's do some road. Who's that trying to pre-pull up real slow? If it's someone's gotta go. On four, wind it down, let it blow. This gun ain't a bluff, nothing like yours. Look at the bows you can take out a boat. Look at the stars when I slap at foes. Heard a man got hit in his back, pat on the back, young lad. Delivered.
Heard a man got hit in his back, pack on the back, young lad. Hey, well done, man. Well done. Is he patting the shooter on the back or the guy that got shot? No, obviously the shooter. Why would he pat the guy that got shot? That got hurt, cause she got shot. Bro, this is insane.
Thoughts when I slap at foes. Heard a man got hit in his back, pat on the back, young lad. Delivered like postman pack. Young boy, what's that man they pack? Can't dodge this cool cause you can't dodge. Delivered like postman pack. Young boy, what's that man they pack? Can't dodge this cool cause you can't dodge fate. I'm looking for you, so I hate. With my mate, shoot this straight, leave a boy in the state. But them run away. Tell man follow the bait. Bro, hop at the corner, go crazy. Squeeze this, let's make lemonade.
Fumez, the engineer.
Bow! Aye! Get him down now! Aye! Fam, I'm telling you, fam, the aggression, blood. This beat is sick. Bow! Shit, nigga, but yo, this beat was sick still. This was sick. V9 plugged in with Fumez, up on Pressplay, you don't know. Big up Fumez, V9, big up Zyron Blue, bro. I've never heard of this guy. Zyron Blue, I've never even seen. What? What tag is that? What tag does he have? I'll find out at the end, but Zyron Blue, big up yourself for the beat here. And the beat just, wow. Anyway, big up Mitchy Taylor and Chromatics every time with the plugged in them. Because you know the damn thing go. And why Fumez are scream face off of me, so? Why Fumez upset at me? Fumez, what did I do to you, bro? I didn't do nothing, bro. It's not my fault. V92 Devilish are watching up your kids, fam. It's not my fault. But anyway, man, this was sick. I really, first listen, I'll give it a 8 or an 8.5 out of 10. Second listen, I'll let you know in the future. But don't know. Click my links in the description. Gaming channel, music channel, Instagram, bro. I'm telling you, subscribe to my gaming channel, bro. I can't stress this enough, bro. Subscribe to the gaming channel, fam. Alright, can't say I never tell you. Alright, that shit gonna blow up. But you know what? I'll let you guys figure that out on your own. Cogency on the Cogency X channel. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm out this motherfucker, man. Yes. Yeah. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the 400 quick, believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the toll and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring the pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get round 2, round 3, yeah, girl. Yeah, I love you, yeah,